Hi everyone, I'm Tracy and this is Cooking with Intention. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited today because I am sharing one of my favorite loves of food from the South. We have family that live down in Mississippi, and so today I am doing a shrimp po' boy. Oh, it is loaded with flavor and it is so delicious. I can't wait to show you. So, just a little known fact, a po' boy originates from the 1929 transit strike that happened in New Orleans, and it is when they used to call out the strikers getting free sandwiches. It'd be another poor boy is here to get a sandwich, therefore now is a po' boy. You can do po' boys in oyster form, shrimp, beef. What makes a po' boy is the crunchy crust. So I'm gonna toast my bread. I'm gonna cook my shrimp in my fryer. If you don't have a fryer, do it on the stovetop. Use an oil that is heat. You can get your heat high and it is so good. I can't wait to show you. With all the yummy flavors, you're gonna love it. So let's get started.